Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to knit this very beautiful and very good looking knitting stitch pattern. So this is very charming pattern. This is very interesting pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. So this is our front side view of the pattern, and this is our wrong side view of the pattern. So this pattern is knitted very easily, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, for jumper, for summer tops, for snoods, for hats, for baby's blanket, for baby's blouse. You can use this pattern for all kinds of knits. This is so easy and so beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see how to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. So friends, I cast on 18 stitches on my knitting needles for a sample, and I have 2 repeats here, and you cast on as many repeats as you want. So we knit. So now we start knitting from the wrong side, and this is our row 1 wrong side. So we slip edge stitch and we purl 3, purl 3, and now we knit this purl stitches together. We purl 3 together and we make 3 stitches. We will make 3 stitches. We increase 3 stitches and we drop these 3 stitches, and we purl 1. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 3, purl 3, we make 3, we purl 3 stitches together and we make another 3 stitches, and we drop these 3 stitches and purl 1. This is our second repeat. Now we purl 2 and we purl edge stitch. So friends, I have completed row 1. So friends, now we did row 2, and row 2 we slip edge stitch and purl 2 and we knit 2 together through front loop. We knit 2 together and we take out the needle between 2 loops and we drop only first stitch. We drop only first stitch and we slip second stitch to the right needle. That's the repeat. Now we need 1, now we need 1 and we need 1 again. We need the third stitch. We need the last stitch first and then we slip first stitch to the right needle. That's the repeat. This is our first repeat of the pattern. Now we purl 2 and again we knit 2 together and we take out the needle between 2 loops and we drops first stitch and slip second stitch to the right needle. We knit 1 and we knit last fourth stitch and we slip the first stitch. This is our second repeat. Now we purl 2 and knit 1. So this way I finished row 2. Now we are going to knit once again. We slip edge stitch and purl 3, purl 3 and we make 3. We purl 3 stitches together and we will make another 3 stitches and we drop these 3 stitches. Now we purl 1. That's the repeat. Again purl 3, purl 3 and purl 3 stitches together. And drop 3 stitches and purl 1, purl 2, so this is our repetition of row 1. Now we repeat row 2 and row 2 we slip edge stitch, purl 2 and purl 2 and we knit these 2 stitches and these 2 stitches, and we we take out the needle and we drop only this first stitch, and we slip this another stitch. Now we knit one, again we knit one, and again we knit this last stitch first, and we take out the needle from this loop and we slip this knit stitch, and we drop this last stitch. Again purl 2, we knit 2 stitches, and we take out from these 2 stitches, and we drop this first stitch and we slip this first stitch on the needle. Now we knit one. Now we knit this last stitch, and we slip this first stitch on the right needle. Again purl 2, and knit edge stitch. So friends, this is our 2 rows repeat pattern, and I have done only 2 repeats here, and you repeat this repeat pattern over and over again according to your desired length. And as you can see, this is how beautiful and very attractive pattern. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like this pattern, you please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all success in knitting, and have a good day.